and B are two matrices with linearly independent columns, and we need to indicate if the following statement is true. So written statement states that if column space of matrix A equals column space of matrix B, then the following expression is true. Well, since we know that A and B are linearly independent, if column space of matrix A equals column space of matrix B, and they are linearly independent, then alpha times matrix A plus beta times matrix B equals 0. So the matrices are orthonormal. If our matrices, let's write it down, A and B are orthonormal, so this means that A times A transposed equals B times B transposed. Well, if A times A transposed equals B times B transposed, then we can take inverse of both sides of this equation, and we get that A times A transposed, the inverse of this equals to the inverse of B times B transposed. Then A times A transposed times A inversed times A transposed equals B times B transposed inversed times B transposed. Because in matrices A times A transposed doesn't equal A transposed times A. So A transposed, A times A transposed does not equal A transposed times A. So here, for instance, B times B transposed does not equal B transposed times B. So it means that the answer is false.